I finally got this thing hooked up to the Ableton Live, the piano and the voice. And maybe it's too much reverb, but I'm not sure because I'm not one of those musical technicians. Okay. We skip the light fandango, turn cartwheels across the floor. I was feeling kinda seasick, but the crowd called out for more. The room was humming harder, as the ceiling flew away. When we called out for another drink, and the waiter brought a tray, and so it was later, as the miller told his tale, that her face at first just ghostly turned a wider shade of pale. She said there is no reason, and the truth is plain to see, as I wandered through my playing cards, and I wouldn't let her be. One of 16 Vestal virgins who were heading for the coast. And although my eyes were open, they might as well have just been closed. And so it was that later, as the miller told his tale, as her face at first just ghostly